In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to assign resources to specific tasks. Here we have our project, and we are now ready to start assigning resources. But let's first take a look at our resource sheet again. Click on the Task tab, and then the drop-down menu, and select Resource Sheet. As you can see that I've made some more changes to our resource pool. I've added a design team, which now consists of 2 design engineers working at full-time or the equivalent of. I have also modified the cost of the testing equipment to $1,000 a day. A cost use fee of $500 will stay the same, but we don't have to pay for it until we return the equipment. Everything else is still prorated. Now let's go back to our entry table and our Gantt chart view. The first thing that we want to do is click on the Resource tab. In order to assign resources from our resource pool, we select a task and then click on the Resource Name column. We then click on the Assign Resources button. A window appears that lists all the resources that we entered into our resource pool. Let's say that this task requires 2 design engineers and 2 marketing specialists in order to be completed within the duration we have estimated for this particular activity. We need to make sure that we adjust the units first before we assign the resource. Since we need 2 design engineers, we click on the number of units, increase it to 200%, and then click on Assign. If we neglect to enter the units first, and we simply click on Assign, and then try to adjust the unit level, notice that the cost does not reflect this change. From here, we have to remove the resource, adjust the units, and then click Assign to obtain the correct cost. After we close this window, we want to make sure that we check the duration for this activity and make sure that it hasn't changed. I say this because MS Project assumes all tasks are effort-driven. So for example, if it will take one person 7 days to complete a task, then it will take 4 people only a fraction of the time. And MS Project may automatically make this adjustment for you. You will have to override this and return the duration to its original duration.